Alright, guys, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, we global. Okay, the quick one, I just want to educate us. Real education want to take place now because a lot of people just buy product, they don't know what they will buy or neither what they swallow or what they wear in their skin, alright? So today I want to talk about Aqua Skin Veniscy 8. Aqua Skin Veniscy 8 is a ultimate triple whitening product. Okay, we have a lot of IVs and a lot of injection, but this one is one of heaven whitening product you should talk about. So and a lot of people, when we keep telling you about all this product, the reason why we're telling you is that for you to understand how to use them and what they do. All right, like for this product now, I must tell you is one unique product. We have a lot of the IVs, IM, and injections and all that, but this one is really heavily in whitening. You know what I mean? So quickly, let me just tell you how it works, and because after I bought it for my customer, she keep using it, and when she use it, her life never remained the same. When I say her life never remained the same, the reason why I don't say all this thing in here, now that I've said it, you would want to go get it without you knowing that this stuff has fake and it has original, and you must know about it before you go forward to get it. Don't say because he just said this. You have to take some instruction, make some research. Also, they take instruction from me because I expose the secret to you. So this Aqua Veniscy 8, this Aqua Skin Veniscy 8, I quickly want to tell you about it, how it works. It's a whitening tone. It improve your skin and brighten your skin, lighten your skin. It make your skin look younger. What I mean, it make you feel that there is something going on your skin, and that thing that is going on your skin is positive, like whereby you all know how vitamin C, when you take vitamin C, basically vitamin C is for brightening and also antioxidant, right? And when you start to take vitamin C, you all see how it works on your body, like you notice a change coming up. All right, so that is this Aqua Skin Veniscy 8 do for your body. Then gradually you're gonna see that it makes some change in you. It brighten your skin. All right, it's meant to brighten your skin within some days. All right, within some days to month. Right, it meant to improve your skin in aspect of toning also. Right, and let me quickly say it improve your elasticity. Retalk. Some people's skin, they are all this the skin is weak. You're right. So, and when your skin is weak, it is very hard for your skin to turn up to any effective substance you're using, or supplement you're using. Are you getting it? So it's very inactive when your skin elasticity is gone. So, but now this Aqua Skin Venetia 8 improves skin elasticity, and it also went ahead to say it's moisturized also. You see now, so we have lightening there, in other words, whitening, and also it moisturized, because a lot of people they believe on moisturize, like if this thing, if it's not gonna make my skin flawless, if it's not gonna make my skin moisturized, I ain't gonna use it. All right, and me, I prefer that. Also, I take that mostly moisturize for my color. I want something that always moisturize my skin. So Aqua Skin Veniscy 8 also, aside being whitening, aside being lightening, aside being toning, aside being all that, aside being improving your elasticity, it also moisturize, and then again, it protects your skin from UV. You all know UV, all right, and also it protects your skin from, it reduces from fine line, all right, from wrinkles. Some people, they've not gone anywhere, like they've not even get to 20s, they started gotten wrinkles. It could be something, infection, some, I don't know, it could be some diseases or all that. Some 30s they got wrinkles, some 40s they got wrinkles, you know what I mean? So this Aqua skin Veniscy 8, it reduces wrinkles, it reduces fine lines, and it reduces, I mean, a lot of things. It reduces redness as well also, and then again, aside wrinkles, it reduces what is it called, blemishes. So any blemishes in the body, it take them off. Because when I got this for the customer, for instance, you would be the one to give me the information that you hear. I started the research I'm doing. I heard about this, how it works, and I need it. And I said, okay, fine, you need this thing, I'm gonna get it for you. And I get it. When I get it for you, it is not left for you to use it and come give me a result. All right. So I use them to make experiment by myself. So when I got it for this customer, I wish I can just show you her color. The reason why some people say, stories, I've used this thing, doesn't work. Yes, you know why it doesn't work? Because there are some rules to it, do's and don't. You just can pick up something of a high, of a high, how will I put, of a high profile. These are high profile substance supplements, injection IVs that you swallow, high profile, and you don't know the rules about it. Some people, they just do all those things why they don't even know what they're supposed to do or not to do. Are you getting? There are a lot of things that you guys taking all this pill, you guys taking this injection. There are a lot of things that you don't need to do for them to work. There are some things you don't need to take for them to work. There are some things you need to take for this body, for them to work. It's a cocktail. It's not just this thing, this aqua skin. And you just take it out. That's a Veniscy 8. That's or you just take a miracle white. You not just take injection that they started working. If you re-injection, if you malaria injection, doctor will tell you some things that you don't need to do for them to work, right? So, from my own level of understanding, this is not just advert that I'm just making. So, I'm just trying to make you understand the reason why all these things don't work, all about it, the reason why they don't work. So, you just need to understand that there must be something you need to do and you don't need to do. So in a quick one, I still want to go further to explain much more about it for you, because so a lot of irregularities in your body, like this aqua skin Veniscy 8 is going to take them off, right? So then again, it helps to stimulate collagen formation dosage, right? Because when collagen is off your body, so it becomes a problem in the body. When collagen, I keep telling you, when collagen is off your body, so it becomes a problem. So now it enhances the formation of collagen. So have that in mind. And now on how to use it, on how to use this aqua skin Veniscy 8, I want to tell you, because it's gonna take like a month, 2 months. But don't forget, it varies. It depends on the skin. Everybody's skin type. That's why I tell you there are some do's and don'ts. You don't need to do some things. There are some things you need to do. All right. So people, they are just those people who haven't done those things, right? So it's bam, 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 bam. Some people, they don't even do those. They don't even think of. Their lifestyle is not that outside the celebrity world, but they don't do those things. Why I don't want to say those things? You can talk to me on WhatsApp. I will tell you those things. Those are just the secrets, right? For this thing to work, you need to talk to me. I will tell you what to do. It doesn't really mean only this injection. Any injection, I bet you. If it's not working, any IV is not working, I'll tell you what to do. That yes, you need to do. It's not big thing. It's just all about your health maintenance. That's a not big thing, all right? So those people you see that you working them is all about skin type, right? Yes, it's for all skin type. Don't get me confused. Don't get yourself confused and don't get a word confused. In other words, don't bring confusion. No? Uh-huh. Yep. So aside that, when you try to do the right thing, it works on your body. All right. So then again, this is how you gonna take it. One set, 2 vials plus one ample of it, right? So it's different sets. So you're gonna take 2 vials and one plus one ample of it. You're gonna take it. It's gonna go for like every week for one set. Are you getting it? 1 week to yes, 1 week to 2 months. 1 week to 2 months, right? Some people, that's why I said depends on individual. Depend on your skin type, right? Like my skin now. Even if you just rub cream for your hand like this, take close to my body can just it doesn't. I mean, you don't need to put the cream on my body before it will tone me, because that's just my skin. I get it. Then when you put the cream, oh Benny, you want me to turn to white, right? So why also some people, they will swallow, pour the whole of the cream, the lotion on their body, they will remain dark as dark, right? So in other words, so like what I say, it depends on your body, depend on the body metabolism. So you have to understand that. So so long you have this in mind, so this is what's going to drive you, right? So then again, and then we say that then you can reduce and then after that, when you see how it works now, you cannot reduce, right? You cannot reduce it, because when I make my own research, I have to put them together to see that okay, this is gonna help. Are you getting it? So then again, this produce is not suitable. Okay, this is what I try to make people understand the other days. Not everything you see you will take. Yes, I just want to say this. Not everything you see you will take, especially for those of my sisters who are pregnant, or who wants to get pregnant. This Aqua Skin Veniscy 8 is not for you. Miracle White is not for you. Different, all of the vaccine is not for you, right? Yes, I tell you, believe me, don't get yourself involved into engage into some stuff because you try to make your skin these blah blah blah. I never tell you that. So it's not advisable for pregnant people, right? So you're out of it. All pregnant ladies, you are out of it. So and for those of you who want to get pregnant, you're out of it. Take a break from it. Yes. And then again, I want to say, as many of you who have taken this to heart, you can share this to your friend. Don't forget, we ship everywhere, right? We ship everywhere. For those of you who want to buy skincare materials, or you want to buy organic materials, or you want to buy cosmetic, you can always contact us via the number on your screen. Or for those of you who want to do the right thing by, you can go through all the stress. You want us to promise for you, and you just buy then you rebrand. You can always also contact us. We're in here for you, so we appreciate you all. So if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. I said subscribe. All right, we remain Austin Global, cosmetic and skincare Nigeria. I refuse to say limited, although as what the government might say limited, yes, but we global, baby. I keep telling you. And then again, we have our logistic line also. We ship everywhere, we fly everywhere except Libya. And we have a line also where we say wigs, you can always, and I told you we just got a new depot. Austin Global just got a new depot in New York City, in New York City, we just got a new depot in New York City. So stay tuned. Tuned, baby. Thanks for the information that is being accepted by you. If I make your research, bye.